Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Doogee X97 Pro. You need to start by opening Play Store on both and clicking on the search bars. After that, type in Send Anywhere and get this app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to set it up, you need to do exactly the same on those devices. Firstly, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up about new updates, you can click on Not Now if you wish to. Then close it by clicking on OK. Finally, choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and receive next to Send at the bottom of your Doogee. Now scroll all the way down, also on Doogee device, and tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to an Android. You can finally click on all of those categories available on the tab. Then click on those type of dots at the top left corner to pick multiple files at once in your category. You can also just click on the chosen ones. I will go with this one photo. When you're ready, tap on Send, next select it, located at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input Key on Doogee. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Doogee's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key instead, just tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers from an Android, and hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!